With me, Arunima, because there's more breaking news coming in. This probe is widening, viewers, even as we speak. We are being told that the Jammu and Kashmir Police and UP ATS is conducting raids in Lucknow, linked to the Faridabad terror module after Delhi blasts. According to sources, the team reached the residence of Shaheen, a female friend of Dr. Muzammil. What can you tell us, Arunima, about this angle of the female suspect?
So, there are multiple doctors and medical professionals who were allegedly part of that module. From what I hear from Jammu and Kashmir Police, which initially cracked cracked open this entire module, is that they found on an encrypted platform all these doctors were together, including the female doctor who was part of this. I think the assault rifle, the AK series rifle, was also recovered from her premises. And this is not surprising to the agencies at all, because even in the past, National Investigation Agency, during its probe, at least twice, one wherein Jamia Millia Islamia, a couple which was I think a PhD scholar, one woman, one man, radicalized, were picked up by NIA, and that trail took them all the way to Pune, where again a girl was allegedly radicalized, a young girl in her early 20s was radicalized by the same group. So targeting women who are professionals, who are highly educated, has been a modus operandi that terror groups have been following some time now. So arrest of this female doctor is not a surprise to the agencies at all.
Okay, let me just bring in Anshul. What do you mean when you, how do you assess this ATS probe widening, bringing in Dr. Shaheen? How does she tie into this entire sort of crackdown?
Well, she's a very crucial piece of this entire puzzle. Remember, this entire case opened up once Dr. Adil was arrested from Saharanpur, and then in sustained an interrogation, he went ahead and named Dr. Muzammil, who was an educator over here at the Al-Shafa University over here. And then it is over here itself that the female Dr. Shahina was also employed over here. In fact, when sustained interrogation happened with the said accused Dr. Muzammil, he said that there is an assault rifle that is in a Swift car that is owned by Shahina herself. When searches were conducted in that vehicle, that assault rifle was recovered from her vehicle itself, and there were other cartridges that were also recovered from her possession. Post this, she was taken into custody by the Jammu Kashmir Police and was taken back to Jammu Kashmir, where after interrogation she was arrested yesterday. Now, to make sure that there are no other explosives or weapons that are.
Well, I'm getting updates from Arunima to suggest that the meeting at the Home Minister's, the one that he was sort of chairing, has ended. Arunima, what can you tell us? We're just going to put out those visuals, but yes, over to you.
Yes, so just a second back, we saw the vehicles of top officials moving out. Delhi Commissioner of Police, Director General of IB, Union Home Secretary, NSG DG, they were all present in this meeting along with NIA DG Sadanand Date. We are given to understand that this probe could soon move, as early by this evening or by tomorrow morning. This probe could well move to NIA. In this meeting, we are told all the details of the investigation so far. Jammu and Kashmir DGP Nalin Prabhat also joined virtually, because this case, like we were reporting, was first unearthed by Jammu and Kashmir Police, and it is again leading to Pulwama. So what is it that Jammu and Kashmir Police has on record so far? What is it that Delhi Police Special Cell has managed to retrieve from the spot? NSG's post-blast analysis team, there was some suspicion, even though ammonium nitrate was the primary suspicion. They wanted to check if any other high-grade explosive has been found on the ground. So at this meeting, all these inputs were once again brought together, and at least two senior officials just left. The others are still inside. So we are given to understand that the meeting is concluding, and the next step towards finding out the other members of the module, that is the key task that the intelligence agencies have been given.